We are inserting and styling my favorite hair extensions through this video. So these are a double weft style hair extension, meaning that they're going to be much thicker with a lot more hair inserted into the extension piece. So this is going to add a very kind of natural looking volume. If you have normal to thick hair, even if you have thin, it'll add a whole bunch of fullness. So these come with a ton of hair in them. It's really going to increase volume while still staying comfortable. If you're unfamiliar with clip-in extensions, basically it's going to come with multiple pieces. This pack specifically comes with 8 pieces of hair. I don't even insert the full 8 pieces, and I'm able to cover my whole head with this pack of hair. So that just tells you how full these extension pieces are. So I have got the 20-inch that I am inserting in my hair. I gave them a little bit of a quick comb. My hair is kind of dirty. I find my hair curls and styles better if I'm on like about day 2 without a wash for my hair. So that is the type of hair I'm applying it to through this video. And I'm taking just one of my favorite rod curling irons to blend both my hair as well as the extension in together. So the clip-ins itself just sit flush, flat against your head. It's just going to be a standard clip that you place in there. There's 18 clips in total per pack within those 8 pieces. So each chunk, there's various sizes for the chunk depending on if you're taking a big piece, which I personally like to apply to the back of my head and then place the sets with 2 clips closer to the front, or even just the single piece kind of right around your ear. So you can see I'm just sectioning my hair off here and progressively styling and then releasing more hair and moving upwards. Basically I start low with the clip-in extensions and move up. Best way I can put it. Tons of different colors too. If you check out their listing, they've got like a whole array, 29 options to choose from for color wise. So it makes it really easy to match up to your exact hair color. I have done the medium brown in this video. I think it's number 4. Yes, number 4 medium brown. And it was a great match for my own hair color. I think if you contact the company too, they should give you a matchup as well if you contact them via email. But it really balances in fullness. The ends of these are nice and thick, whereas I've had other hair extensions when the ends of the extensions aren't as thick as the rest of the hair. That's usually a giveaway as to like when it looks like a hair extension. So you can see I'm wrapping this all the way up to the end, and it is like all the way through the same amount of thickness. Otherwise it just looks too wispy and fake and basically just not blending the way it should. So I basically finger comb through my hair, have this all blend in progressively, and we are getting near the end, but I continue to curl it just to have it at its optimal styling. But it's crazy, you only need like half the pack. I mean, if you have a ton of hair, you might use the whole pack. You're totally welcome to. But I get away with using just like 5 of the 8 usually, which is really nice. Also, as far as like lossage on the hair goes, I have worn these so many times, brushed them out, and I haven't noticed any hair pieces coming out the actual clip itself, which is great. Gives you just like instant volume. Yeah, and it's just super simple. For people that don't like having a permanent hair extension in your hair, if you just want like a quick pick-me-up, that is where this comes in handy. And I have put, in total, it took me probably about 20 minutes, I think, to style my hair here. That kind of depends on what tools you're doing and how tight of curls you want. But as far as like placing them in itself, it's super simple, and it's kind of one of those things that you get better with the more that you use it. Obviously they're real hair, so you can curl them, you can color them, you can use products on them, as well as brush them, which is great. Also highlight, one thing I didn't mention. If you're going to wash these, I would just say be gentle with them when you take a brush to them. Like I wouldn't brush them when they're super wet. I would give them adamant amount of time to dry But I'm getting right near the end here. What do you guys think? I love the fullness. Awesome quality. Check them out.